Welcome, friends. Today we're diving into a vibrant and healthy meal prep idea that's both simple and delicious. Picture yourself in a cozy kitchen, surrounded by fresh broccoli, a farm-fresh egg, and a handful of aromatic spices like black pepper, ginger powder, and minced garlic. With just a touch of butter, these ingredients come together to create a meal that's not only bursting with flavor but also packed with nutrients. Whether you're prepping for a busy week or just looking for a wholesome lunch, this recipe is a fantastic way to enjoy real, nourishing food. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Let's take a closer look at the stars of our meal prep. Broccoli is loaded with vitamin C and K, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for your immune system and overall health. Eggs bring high-quality protein and essential amino acids, perfect for energy and muscle support. Minced garlic adds not only a wonderful aroma but also allicin, which supports heart health. Black pepper, with its pipering content, helps with digestion and boosts nutrient absorption. Ginger powder is famous for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. And finally, a bit of butter ties everything together, adding flavor and providing fat-soluble vitamins. Each ingredient plays a special role in making this meal both tasty and nourishing. Now let's bring these ingredients together. Start by sautéing minced garlic in a bit of butter until it's fragrant. This step fills your kitchen with a mouthwatering aroma. Next, add the broccoli, a pinch of black pepper, salt, and ginger powder. Cook everything until the broccoli reaches your preferred tenderness, letting the spices infuse every bite. Meanwhile, boil an egg to your liking, soft, medium, or hard, it's up to you. Once everything is ready, combine the sautéed broccoli and spice mix with the boiled egg in a metal lunchbox. This meal is not only quick to prepare but also easy to pack for work or school. Adjust the spice levels to suit your taste and enjoy a meal that's as flavorful as it is healthy. Make this meal truly your own. Feel free to adjust the spice levels, add more ginger for warmth or extra black pepper for a little kick. This recipe is all about balancing flavor and nutrition, making it easy to enjoy healthy eating every day. Whether you're new to meal prep or a seasoned pro, this broccoli and egg combo is sure to become a favorite. Remember, small changes like adding aromatic spices can make a big difference in both taste and health benefits. So spice up your meals and boost your well-being, one delicious bite at a time.